For latest updates and short audio clips, follow us on Instagram, Reading the Author.
Hey guys, welcome back to the podcast Reading the Author, a unique show where we read authors' mind and not their book. Meanwhile, I truly believe and pray that you and your families are completely safe and healthy as well. Guys, today we have Maulika Garg ma'am with us, and she is the author of Hormone Hijack, a love story. Thank you so much, ma'am, for coming on our show. We are highly grateful कि आप हमारे शो पर आए.
Thank you so much, Gaurav, for inviting me.
Likewise, ma'am. So, ma'am, like before I get into कि ये इतना इंटरेस्टिंग नाम आपने कहाँ से रखा है या बुक में क्या है, I would request you to please share something about yourself, about your journey, so that our listeners can know much more about you. And do share कि आपने ये राइटिंग की जर्नी कहाँ से स्टार्ट की.
Yeah, sure. So, as my book also has a middle class girl, similarly I am. So, if you're not relatable to somebody, you can't write about it. So, I come from a middle class background, and but my childhood has been very privileged. I have been traveling, and my education has been throughout Uttar Pradesh, and my father has been into a government job. So, my parents, my sibling, all have been very supportive since my very childhood. And then I did my post-graduation, and after that my professional career has been on the upswing always for the last 20 years. But somewhere something was missing, and I had been feeling that I need to do something, because whenever I meet women around me, they ask me different questions, and they have been asking me across, आप इस चीज़ का हमें प्रॉब्लम सोल्यूशन बता दीजिए, हमसे कोई इस बारे में बात नहीं करता. So when these kind of things keep on around me, so I used to tell them verbally, but then I thought of, let me put it in a form of a story so that people can relate to it, and women can actually feel some kind of a connect, and they can take stronger decisions in life. That's the whole thought behind this.
So, ma'am, as we know that the book is released and it is performing really well, I just saw it has a rating of 4.7 on Amazon. And now talking from the perspective of new readers, like जो लोग इस podcast को सुनने के बाद पढ़ना चाहेंगे. So, for them, can you share some insights like what they can expect from this book?
Okay, so for either, this book is not gender biased. It is not only for female or males. Okay, it is a book for the youth. So when we are growing up, when we reach our adolescent age, we have a lot of questions with regards to our physical appearance, with regards to our love life. We are not able to relate that whether we are in an attraction or this is actual love, what decisions we should take in life. We should take a decision in professional life or in personal life, and people tend to not discuss it. In our country, we are not allowed to openly discuss it across with parents or with mentors or with teachers. So this entire problem, you can actually find answers to it while you read this book.
That's something really new, ma'am, because I have been in conversation with many authors, but these are some sort of the topics which very few authors touch. So that's definitely something which I will personally recommend to everyone. Now coming to the most interesting part, ma'am, which I am personally want to ask, like ये hormone hijack ये title आपने कहाँ से सोचा? From where does this come?
Okay, so the major reason is, see, once you are traveling, I'm around 40s. So when you reach a level of life, you understand that every answer is inside you. Okay, there is no question which has an answer outside us. Okay, so, and the major reasons behind it is we need to keep happy and playful all the time. If we are not happy and playful, we tend to not make right decisions. So what is actually keeping you happy and playful? It is the certain hormones like serotonin and endorphins. So these are certain hormones which are like actually keeping you happy. As a human body, we don't understand that. We think this is our emotions, this is our heart working, but this is actually the brain working. So this is where I could relate to it, and I thought, let me put it across to people in that manner.
Now understood, like hormones are hijacked, that's why they are doing so. Understood. Okay, so ma'am, like there are lots of authors who are working to create a personal branding, like they want to be known as a particular genre, particular type of authors. They want to, like आज से अगर 1-2 साल बाद कोई देखे कि ओके इट्स अ बुक बाय मौलिका गर्ग, तो what sort of image you want to create on that reader's mind, क्योंकि that you know that first thought, that instant कि अच्छा ठीक है मौलिका मैम की बुक है तो ऐसी होनी चाहिए, कभी सोचा आपने इस बारे में?
हाँ, so I was very clear on one thing: I will always be a storyteller. So, and the genre obviously cannot be defined, because a story can be told in fiction and a non-fiction book. Right? So the whole thing is that I have understood one thing, that when I work professionally also, if I want to execute something, if I tell people in a form of a story or an experience, people relate to it very fast. And the masses, the people who are not having that kind of an exposure to experiences or education, can only relate to stories. So the best way I would like to be remembered is as the best storyteller.
Okay. So ma'am, like you know, हर author जैसे कोई भी, let's say like we have some Instagram pages where we upload the quotes like the scribble thought, इस टाइप की चीज़ें, micro tales. So whenever I used to pen something, मुझे पता रहता है कि ये target audience क्या है, like ये किस category को मैं particularly target कर रहा हूँ, right? So when it comes to your book, like what sort of category are you targeting? Like आपने कुछ सोचा था इस बारे में कि ये एक इस particular category को मुझे target करना है?
Yes, exactly. So why I kept the name Hormone Hijack was for the youth. Because the youth is one because the book is all about youth and taking decisions in our youth, because we don't have that kind of somebody helping us out in our youth to tell us what to do next. So exactly my target audience is 18 plus till around 30. So this is the time frame where we need to take the maximum decisions of life and where we feel that requirement.
Okay. So, ma'am, my next question to this podcast is like, you know, what I personally feel that after the first lockdown was over, the numbers of authors get increased very rapidly. Like, you know, there was a boom in this writing industry, what I personally felt. And in fact, I was reading the article other day, it was written कि Amazon पे around, you know, hundreds of books हर week publish हो रही हैं. So when it comes to you, like, you know, from like आपने पूरी journey अब cover कर ली, you are now a part of this book industry. So what's your take on this? Like book को stand out कराना कितना मुश्किल हो चुका है, या फिर you know you are someone who feels कि it's a creative field तो इसमें कोई competition नहीं है. What's your take on this?
See, I after launching the book, I will say 1% of the effort is in writing the book, 0.5% is in publication, the rest is all marketing. So
that's
true. The fact. That's the fact.
100% truth answer.
This is the fact. And when I was writing, I completed the writing in almost 30 days. And editing took me around 3 months, because it has to go through many phases. And because I self-published this book, it took me some time to understand how the publication has to go on the ebook and the hard copy. And after that, I thought, okay, fine, now it is my happy day, the book is published. And suddenly I realized, now I need customers to buy it. So what to do next?
True.
So therein where the entire thing started. And it is mind-blowing.
The whole new world's open up.
Yeah. And the entire world is actually selling. When you come into the selling and you see everybody selling a book.
True.
So that is there. But you have to be strong in whatever you have created. And you should find your own market. My market is very clear that I am not expecting this to be like, every woman has to read it, every man has to read it. No, I want specifically people to read it and feel the change in them. So my purpose is to have that change. If 1% of people, whosoever get in touch with the book, feel that change for the time frame they're reading the book or after reading the book, that's my purpose achieved.
Okay. So as of now, like what's the current writing schedule? Like आप daily कुछ घंटे devote करते हैं for writing, or it's like random कि कभी कोई thought आया तो कहीं phone में डायरी में लिख लिया, फिर बाद में बैठ के लिख रहे हैं? How does it goes with you?
No, I am a typical Robin Sharma fan. So last 5-6 years I've been waking up at 5 a.m.
The 5 a.m. club.
5 a.m. club. I'm a typical member of 5 a.m. club. I'm a hardcore member. So I wake up around 4:45 and then I do my exercise and all, and then I write for 1 hour. So I write every day. I almost 6 days a week I write, and it's not about only writing this. I am doing my PhD, so I write for that also. So I keep on writing, and I don't scribble around. I create things only once I'm sitting on a desk.
Okay. So that means your mind is at, peace, what I feel. Like, that monkey mind is
Absolutely.
not there.
No. I cannot work when it is monkey mind. It is impossible.
Okay. So, ma'am, like as of now, we have talked about your book, about your journey, about your what we can say, certain views on certain particular topics. Now, coming to you, what's upcoming? Like from the new perspective, कि जिन readers ने आपकी book पढ़ चुकी है, what they can expect as of now? Is there anything in the pipeline?
Yeah, there's something in pipeline which is in the making as of now, because every reader who has read the book or the reviewers who have given the book, they have all been talking about one thing: when is the next book coming? So this is something which is something intrigued me to write again. I was not thinking it will be so fast, but I have started scribbling around in the morning.
Okay, so the genre is same, or you want to experiment in some other genres as well?
I don't know. Let me first finish the writing. Be able to tell you across that.
Okay, ma'am. So now talking about the person who is behind the words, because it's often said कि जो इंसान words के पीछे होता है वो थोड़ा different होता है, right? So when it comes to you, like आपको लगा कि अब मैंने ये publish now वाला बटन दबा दिया है, अब मेरी book publish होने वाली है, because it was self published. So what was going on your mind on that time? Like आप stress थी, relax थी, या फिर आपने कुछ particular milestone set किए हुए थे कि मुझे इतने लोग जानते हैं, मेरे को इतना sale करना पड़ेगा? Like what was going on your mind between that time period, that time frame?
See, yes, I have, before putting that publish button, I had a full plan, day-wise plan. That was okay. But the day I put that publish button, it took me at least 6-7 hours, almost 6-7 hours. I was just thinking, should I do it now? Should I do it now? Because you open up to world suddenly, and there is a huge vulnerability that you get into, and accepting that you will be suddenly vulnerable. Usually authors are very introvert people, they're not very extroverts. So suddenly you get into a world where everybody will be talking about you. They will have good things, bad things, anything can come to you. So that was there going on in my mind, but I was extremely happy the moment I had pushed that button. Okay. I was extremely happy.
Okay, so ma'am, like as of now, what are the things which you are focusing upon in life as a person, as an author?
As a person, I'm trying to make people buy this book. Every day I'm working on my social media account so that people are there. I have been able to get 20,000 plus followers in last 40
Please
days.
mention a social media link of Instagram.
So it is @scholar.maulika, and please do come in there and tag me along, because I am trying my level best to create some good content every day. Definitely. Which is not only related to my book, but it is related to my entire purpose of life. So I am trying to build it up. So let's see how it goes, but I would surely try to put in some good content.
Okay. So ma'am, my almost the last question of this podcast would be like, how has this industry treated you as of now? Like if you can share any single word, or can you sum up in this single line?
They have garlanded me with a lot of affection. I have been having so much of affection because I was under the mentorship of Shweta Samutra, who is a well-established author. Plus, I'm associated to Iron Lady. This is also a very, very big platform for women. And both the places, they have been authors and things, and everybody has garlanded me. A lot of affection. They have been affectionate to me. They have been giving me amazing reviews, and they have been giving me a lot of reels also. So I'm very happy.
Okay. Ma'am, there must be a lot of moment in your life which you tag as the happiest moments of your life. So if you can share any one of them with us, then that would be really great.
Happiest moment of life was the day I started writing. First 10 pages that I wrote, and I sent it across to my friends, and they said, yes, we want to read about it. That was the happiest moment, that I can actually write and somebody can like it.
Okay. And my last question after sorry, my last question to this podcast is, what are your advices for the upcoming authors? Because बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे होंगे जो इस पॉडकास्ट को सुनने के बाद लिखना शुरू करेंगे या उनका पहला ड्राफ्ट अभी उनके हाथ में होगा, तो उनके लिए आपकी क्या एडवाइसेस हैं?
See, consistency is the only key. If you can be consistent in your writing, in your schedule, then you can go ahead with it. And there is a lot of space. There is no competition as such. Don't bring your mind into competition. If you have something good, put it on a piece of paper and publish it. Don't stop yourself for anything ever in life, because everybody has a different way of expressing themselves. There might be thousands and lakhs of books available, but there will be thousands and lakhs of more authors to be in process. And everybody can actually share something and everybody can learn. So be consistent, transform yourself, and you will have the excellence coming to you.
Okay, so that's all for today, guys. I hope you must have enjoyed this lovely conversation with Moulika ma'am. And if you do, then do follow our podcast, Reading the Author, available on all the leading podcast platforms. And don't forget to buy and read the book. आप जस्ट Amazon पे जाएं, वहाँ पे सर्च करें मौलिका गर्ग, मैम की बुक आ जाएगी. या फिर आप सर्च कर सकते हैं हार्मोन हाईजैक, जो कि अपने आप में बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है, आप भूल नहीं पाएंगे. And thank you so much, ma'am, for coming on our show. It was my honor to be able to host you today.
Thank you so much, ma'am.